Hey y'all, it's Paula with Sparkle Force Paper Crafts, and today I am showing off my new journal using a kit called Ink and Ash from Lottie's Magic Attic. Most of these pages are printed full size. This one was not. This was printed reduced size. I always like having lots of journaling pages in my journals. She does provide quite a few larger pockets and all this gorgeous art because that's what I know her for is gorgeous artwork. These are actual envelopes. I made it to flip outs. So most of this book, all the editions are envelopes, just craft envelopes that I got off of Amazon. I believe this was a leftover piece from, before June-tober, May, something or another. I can't remember the name of it because that's how I roll. Lots of little spots. I had as many of the sentiments as I possibly could. These are some of the pockets that come with the kit. All these printables. Oh, yeah, that's part of the page. All these printables come with the kit. I do like backing with a neutral. I sewed in this thread. It's like embroidery thread to bring out the orange, kind of tie that in. I have recently received a whole lot of black lace. Made a collapsible box here for all of the extra bits and pieces that I didn't work into the album, but I definitely wanted to include them because why would you leave them out? Isn't this box fantastic? I love it. This is a hidden paper clip that I created just with some of the papers out of the kit, part that I actually cut off, I think probably to make the box. Got a little tuck spot here. I didn't really know what to do with that guy, but once I put that band on there, I was like, oh, that works. Here's another envelope. Actually, it's a couple of envelopes that I wanted to cut in some more sheets. I did fully line both envelopes with the same print. These are just some blank writing papers, and then inside you have your lines. Went ahead and reinforced the little pull tab on there and put a label on it for funsies. Always real tight. Like I said, not all the pieces are from this journal. This one for sure is. This is the same as that paper. Okay. Just stacked the pocket and the kit. And the same over here, just stacked the pocket. I like being able to see all of the beautiful artwork. Lets everybody know there's something else in there when you stack them like this. I think it adds a lot. I didn't want to leave a lot of open space for journaling. Another stack. And this last one, I actually made this into a bookmark with some black chipboard and this fun charm. And a piece of the cover, and I used just a paper clip on the cat. The last page, I just filled up this big spider pocket with some more beautiful pieces. Again, this one is not from this kit. It was a freebie from Lottie's Facebook page. And that's it. Thank you for watching.